In this video, we will take a look Wyze plugs. I have a 2-pack here. They're smart plug, really cheap. I bought for $14, so each one cost me about $7. They can make your life way easier. Worth to buy these ones. $7 piece. You can control with the smartphone. You can control with Alexa. You can also control with Google Home. So in this video, we will open box, take a look. We will also set up and review. My name is Baljit and now let's start. First, I show you what I mean to how it can make your life easier. Then we will open box. So I have my lamp over here. That's normal lamp connected with my Wyze Cam smart plug. And if I'm on my bed or I'm in my office doing some project, I have to turn on and off. I don't need to walk there to turn off. I can just simply say, Alexa, turn off lamp. Okay. In my case, I have only one lamp connected to it. If you have a multiple lamp, you can give a room name and anything. So that's the way I can say if you're on bed, like in cold area, you don't have to get up. You can just say, you can make any your lamp or anything you have to plug in. This one make it smarter. Now let's walk on the package and just open and see what happens. So first, if you look to the box, it have already telling you there is 2-pack and what kind of shape. It can connect with your Alexa or something like that. You can also connect with the Google, and there also can be controlled by app. There's a barcode to install your app. So now let's open. First we open, you will see there's 2 Wyze plugs on it. They have a right down there trademark Wyze, and if you open, there's only 2 plugs inside. You basically no need anything. So all the apps or anything you will get with the barcode, and you have all the instructions. There's like also some instructions here on the box. There's no instruction manual inside. So the way they made a plug, they're really like they made according to your receptacle. If you have 120 volt receptacle, you will be able to connect both at the same time. So I have a receptacle here. First we're gonna move to the receptacle and we will follow the steps to set up for first time. That's the best thing I seen about it. You're not gonna waste your another receptacle. If you have a one connected here, then you can connect the second one. So you can connect both at the same time. So before go through the setup, let's go see. You have a plug. You can connect one thing over here. There's 3 prongs. There's some also instructions. They have a MAC ID, stuff like that. And the side there's an on-off button. If you don't want to use your smart device or your smart app, or you don't want to control, you can just also press on and off from here. So simply connect here. This one have a little plastic. Connect both. So now you can see there is a light. This plug have a blinking light and this one have a solid light. So this one I have already set up. Status light on means plug is on. And this one blinking light means this one looking for to connect for setup. If you press button on the side, light goes off. That means the plug is off. Now we are going to follow the step to set up this one. For this one, we have to use first time our smart device. I'm going to use my iPhone. You can use any. We need to download one of the app called Wyze app. Over here, I have a Wyze app. I'm going to record my screen so I can show on screen. Now I have to go to my Wyze app. Go to app. From here. So now we are on our app. On the app left hand top corner there is a plus button. We are going to click on plus and there's a add device. We're going to click on add device. Once you click on add device, it's asking you what you're going to do. We are going to do Wyze plug number 6. You click on it, then it says press next, and also giving you instructions like just plug in and power on, light need to blink. Click on next. Then there is your Wi-Fi house router Wi-Fi username and password. Then click on next. Then it's asking you to connect Wyze plug to your Wi-Fi. Now we have to go to our smartphone setting. Once you click on setting, we are going to click Wi-Fi section, and here it's gonna appear that Wyze plug. If not, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off Wi-Fi, turn back on. So we need to see something Wyze. I see them here, so we just double click on Wyze or click Wyze, it will connect it. Just wait. Once you have a tick mark in the front, that means connected. Now we're going back in the Wyze app again. It says connecting. So here we need to wait for a couple seconds. So now it shows already. Also, I have an Alexa. So Alexa already recognized this one. So this one is asking me to rename or whatever. I can rename here. Actually, I'm going to use this one for my computer hub for MacBook. I can say Mac hub. That's I'm going to use for. I say finish. And it says share device with the family. I don't need to do. I will say maybe later. Now it's asking me upgrade because this plug was sitting in my box for maybe like 15-20 days. So they have a new software. I'm going to upgrade it now. So far after upgrading, I will be using. Now I'm going to skip forward this portion. So my plug is ready. I'm going to take it off from here. I'm going to connect my MacBook hub. I have a MacBook 16. It doesn't come with any USB or any portion, so I had to connect the hub. Connected my MacBook with the hub, so I basically don't work on my MacBook almost every day. I work only the day I'm off. So what I have to do, I have to turn off my hub, and I don't want to leave it on. So I have a struggle every time I have to plug in and plug off. So I'm using this Wyze cam since now to just turn on off and on. So now I have connected this hub with my Wyze, and it shows me on right now because the plug is on. So if I now want to use, what I can do, I can tell my Alexa or just to have my phone to turn off. Alexa, turn off Mac hub. Okay. It will turn off for me. You can see this one off right now. So now I have this hub is like smart. I can control with this device or I can control with my smart plug. So now so far we have a setup already. I have a used one plug already over there. So this one, as we talked, it's cost me one piece about $7. So it worked for me when I'm doing my project, my MacBook battery low, or I have to turn on my hub to connect multiple things. I don't have to walk there. I will just say to this device or turn on with my phone. So, and second thing about the size, this size is really the way they made it, it look nice. You can use these two on one receptacle. That's the best thing I like it, because I have a smart plug before, but you can only plug one at a time. They're like a shape round, so it was covering the second receptacle. So basically second receptacle, it was just covering with this one, so I was able to use only one. So in this case, Wyze made really good product, and you can just connect one at a time, like you can connect two in one receptacle. It also have a physical on off switch. You can turn off and on. If you don't want to, just you close to your plug, you can just turn off and on from here. So basically we covered almost everything. So this will be end of the video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with the new topic.